it's Debbie and welcome to my channel Come with Debbie. Now, I stayed in the Premier Inn, Great Yarmouth West. And it's very close to Great Yarmouth train station if you don't drive, but if you drive, the car park is also free for the night. So, let me show you around the Great Yarmouth Premier Inn West. I hope you liked the little tour of my room I stayed in at the Premier Inn, Great Yarmouth West. I had a very comfortable night's stay and really had a good night's sleep. Don't forget now to give me a like and a hype and subscribe. And thank you to those who keep coming back for more. I'll see you again in my next vlog. So take care now. Bye.